Welcome back to the HTD Talent YouTube channel. By now I'm sure you know that simply knowing how to code isn't enough to land your first software job in 2025. The demand for software engineers is still high, but so is the competition. AI is changing the industry and companies are cutting back on junior hires who can't contribute from day one. So how do you stand out? Well, today I'm going to give you 4 insights that no one tells you before you start your software engineering journey. Number 1, your degree will not save you. If you're relying on a computer science degree alone, you are already behind. You see, employers want proof that you can build real projects, solve real problems, and work in a real team. And that means you need to be able to showcase your hands-on experience and not just a GitHub full of tutorial projects, but something unique and ideally something complex. Now, number 2, soft skills will get you hired faster than coding. See, most junior devs fail in interviews not because they can't code, but because they can't communicate. Can you explain your thought process? Can you break down a complex problem? And can you collaborate on a team? Your technical skills will get you in the door, but your ability to work with people gets you hired. Now, number 3 is the first job is the hardest to get, but after that, it's a snowball effect. The hardest part of your career is landing job number 1. But once you get that first role, everything else gets easier. You see, companies love hiring engineers with experience. So if you're struggling to get that experience, consider starting with anything you can get: contract work, open source contributions, or even an internship. Your goal isn't to land your dream job this time around, it's to land a real job. Number 4, of course, we're going to talk about AI. It's not your enemy, but it can be your cheat code. AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot and Claude, they are changing the game. Once you've mastered the basics, if you're not using these AI tools to speed up your debugging, generate boilerplate code, and optimize your algorithms, well, you're making life harder for yourself. But here's the trick. You need to show employers that you know when to trust AI, and you also know when to think for yourself. Junior developers who can use AI strategically will be leagues ahead of those who ignore it. So the truth is, in 2025, it's going to be a make or break year for junior devs. If you're serious about standing out, start now. Build something, work on your soft skills, and get real-world experience however you can. This is the recipe for success in this new age of software engineering. Now, thanks for joining me today for this short talk. Be sure to like this video if you got value out of it, and subscribe for more content on a weekly basis. We'll see you next time.